Time to go. Let's go. Woo! Awfully windy out here. Come on, Trixie. Where are you going? Time to go outside. Come on. Zoie! Wow, it's really coming down. The wind's blowing pretty hard, too. Where'd they go? Come here, Zoie! Good girl. Little skid there. See where Mommy ran up on the curb? What you doing, Trixie? Yeah. Wow. It's coming down hard. Photo doesn't do it justice. Zoie! Come on, girls! Go get it, Zoie! Come on, Trixie! Let's go! Trixie! Ah, there she goes. Darn it, I'm going to kill her. Nina? She hasn't changed a bit. Trixie! Oh, I'm going to kill that dog. Come on, girl! Where is she? Trixie! Come on, baby! Let's go, Trixie! She always comes back. Good girl! It's like we run off every now and then. Let's go. Woo. It is bad out here.